Clean Lanai, we specialize in cleaning and rejuvenating lanais and patios in high-rise condos in Southwest Florida. Would you like your lanai to be refreshingly clean from top to bottom, making it a joy to relax in? At Clean Lanai, our unique, safe, and effective dry wash cleaning method is the best solution for a dirty lanai. With the power of steam and vapor, we disinfect and clean your lanai using 97% less water than traditional power washing. There is very little water that escapes our cleaning area, which means little to no water runoff on your neighbors below. We can remove mold, mildew, dirt, salt, cobwebs, spiders, and other insects during the cleaning process. With our routine maintenance plan, we can extend the life of your lanai by removing the corrosive elements found in the salty air here in Southwest Florida. We also deodorize the lanai, leaving it fresh and inviting for you and your guests. We never use harsh chemicals or high-power pressure washing, which is messy and often dangerous. So, if you want to enjoy a clean and healthy lanai, call Clean Lanai today.